Social media is really just another communication channel. It's a way to express yourself, connect with others, publish your work, and even promote things and ideas. But unlike having a phone conversation, talking on the street, or sending an email, social media is public, so it can reach a lot of people, spread quickly, and result in a permanent record of what you said and did. And that record can be found through a search engine for a very long time. So if you use common sense and good judgment, social media can be a great tool for collaboration, interaction, and sharing. But without common sense and good judgment, social media is a way to create evidence that can be used against you or your employer. This course provides insight into the benefits and risks of communicating in public. We're going to give you the tools to use social media and other communication channels effectively and responsibly, and help you see and hopefully avoid the unintended consequences. Part of the information is to explain what laws may apply, and part of the information is to provide you with the questions to ask as you decide how you want to use social media for work. Comply Socially is not giving you legal advice, determining best practices, or telling you what to say or do. One of the real values of social media is that it's less formal, more personal, spontaneous, and real. We're here to educate you so you can use social media in ways that work for you. We also want to remind you that there's no way for us to anticipate or discuss every situation that might arise, but we hope to get you to ask the right questions, and when you have a question on what to do or how to handle something, we encourage you to talk to someone familiar with the legal and practical issues for your situation. Different states, cities, and companies have different laws and rules that apply, so if you're not sure, ask before you act.